Imagine waking up to a new view every single morning. Mountains one day, a quiet beach the next, and a city skyline when you feel like it. No rent, no boring routine, just freedom on wheels. This stunning 2026 home on wheels isn't just a vehicle, it's a whole lifestyle upgrade. And once you see what's inside, you'll understand why people are ditching traditional houses for this. At first glance, the design already turns heads. Sleek, modern, and futuristic, this home on wheels looks like it came straight out of 2030. Every curve is made for efficiency, aerodynamics, and style. But the real magic starts when you step inside. This doesn't feel like a cramped RV at all. It feels like a real home, just smarter. The interior is designed to make every inch count. Natural light floods the space through large panoramic windows, making it feel open and alive. The walls use warm textures, clean lines, and minimal colors that instantly calm your mind. This is the kind of space where stress just melts away. Whether you're parked in the wild or in the middle of the city, it always feels peaceful inside. The living area transforms effortlessly. During the day, it's a cozy lounge where you can relax, work, or entertain guests. At night, it turns into a comfortable sleeping space that actually feels like a proper bedroom, not a compromise. Storage is hidden everywhere, under the floor, inside the walls, even within the furniture, so nothing feels cluttered. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because this is where 2026 really shows up. This home on wheels features a fully functional, modern kitchen with smart appliances, energy-efficient systems, and enough space to cook real meals. You're not surviving on instant noodles here, you're living. Whether it's morning coffee or a full dinner, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The bathroom is another surprise. Clean, stylish, and incredibly well thought out, it includes a proper shower, modern toilet system, and smart water management. It proves that you don't need a massive house to live comfortably. You just need intelligent design. What truly sets this 2026 home on wheels apart is how future-ready it is. Solar panels, advanced battery storage, and smart controls allow you to live off-grid without sacrificing comfort. You can monitor power, water, and temperature right from a single system. This isn't just mobile living, it's smart living. And here's the best part: freedom. No property taxes, no long-term rent, no being stuck in one place. You choose where you wake up, how you live, and what matters most to you. This home isn't about downsizing your life, it's about upgrading it. People think homes on wheels are about giving things up, but this one proves the opposite. It gives you more freedom, more experiences, and more control over your life. In a world where everything feels expensive and overwhelming, this 2026 home on wheels offers something rare: simplicity without sacrifice. So the real question isn't, why would you live in a home on wheels? The real question is, why wouldn't you? If this is the future of living, the future looks incredibly exciting, and honestly, it's already here.